So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this wheel cleaning video where I show you three products that I use during my wheel cleaning process. The first is going to be Koshkemi's Green Star. This is an absolutely all-rounder all-purpose cleaner that you can use on the paint as a pre-wash. On the wheels as well, you can do that. Here I'm using this because this truck is absolutely filthy and the wheel liners have not been cleaned for a long time, so I'm going to be using this product on the wheel liners, the wheels, as a pre-wash, and then I'm going to introduce my other chemicals that I use for washing the wheels. So this Green Star works amazing, but only thing is this is a high alkaline product. Make sure not to use it in direct sunlight. If you do it, to wash it off really quickly, it does the job really well, but if it dries on the paint on the wheels, it can leave some etching, so be very careful when using this product. So guys, if you are new to my channel, make sure to like, subscribe and comment on these videos. This way I know that you enjoyed my content, and if you want to be notified of my future videos, make sure to hit the bell icon. And if you enjoy detailing content like ceramic coating, paint corrections and just satisfying detailing, this is a channel for you. So guys, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. So here I'm using P&S Brake Buster, that is a wheel and the tire cleaner all in one product, and this is amazing product that they have, and it is one of my favorite wheel and tire cleaner. This is my go-to product. It will break down whatever is left behind from Koshkemi Green Star. Now, like I mentioned, Koshkemi Green Star is an high alkaline product. It will leave staining on the wheels or painted surface, so I have to be careful using that product, so I use it as a pre-wash. Here P&S Brake Buster is doing the rest of the job that the Koshkemi Green Star left behind. The purpose of this video is to share how you can use different products in different scenarios, or all the products you can use on the same vehicle depending on the condition of the vehicle. Now this vehicle was very dirty. It had gone through some mud, especially West Texas is all dry and dirt over there, so this truck came from there. So these wheels were caked on with some dirt. So here I'm going to be using Adams wheel cleaner on the wheel, which also has the iron removing capabilities and can be used as iron decon for the wheels. Now Adams also has a product which is called Adams wheel and tire cleaner, which can be compared to P&S Brake Buster, which is also a wheel and tire cleaner. So here I'm going to just use Adams wheel cleaner, and the next wheel that I do, I'm going to be using just the Brake Buster, so you can see how different products can work differently but yield the same result. So guys, if you're looking for any of these products, they're all linked in the description down below. Make sure to check them out, and if you want to get them for yourself, definitely go use my links and check out these products. You can definitely buy from those links, and that way you help support the channel a little bit. For the last wheel, you will see me using P&S Brake Buster just by itself. You can see that this product works really great. I have compared this product to iron removing capability products like Adams wheel cleaner, and I have actually used this combined with Car Pro iron remover as well. This product can be compared to all of these, and this works really great. But for these wheels, I did notice this truck used to stay in West Texas, that is really hot and it's very dry over there, and there was a lot of fading going on, and some of the dirt or the stains had etched into the wheel. Every wheel or every detail is different. You should always understand how to use this product. You can combine these products, you can use this product standalone, but make sure to use these products in the condition that the wheels are. This way you can dilute the products the way you want it. I always dilute P&S Brake Buster to 4 to 1. This product works great in that dilution. For me, you can actually take it higher or you can even make it stronger. 1 to 1 is really great for really dirty wheels. I sometimes use it on BMW wheels as well, where I have to use CarPro iron remover mixed with PNS brake buster so I can get the cleaning power more, because BMWs do brake dust a lot. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Just like always, I will definitely see you on the next one.